The Great Western Railway opened Tyseley Station in 1906 on what was the Great Western Mainline between London Paddington and Birkenhead Woodside. It was built with 4 platforms, but later British Railways took platforms 1 and 2 out of use. Since the mid-1990s, traffic on the Snow Hill line through Tyseley has increased, and in 2007 through 2008, Network Rail re-signalled the line between Birmingham and Warwick, modifying the track at Tyseley and restoring platforms 1 and 2 to its original use. Trains to and from Solihull are now able to use the new 60-mile-an-hour Tyseley North Junction. 2 new junctions have also been built at each end of the station, allowing non-stopping services between Solihull and Birmingham Snow Hill to cross 60 miles per hour. So let's get started at Tyseley with 172001 and 172003. Working the delayed 0918 West Midlands Railway service from Worcester Foregate Street to Whitlock's End. Next train through is 172342 and 172221, working 2S18 from Kidderminster to Stratford-upon-Avon via Whitlock's End. Next for Chiltern Railways is 165002, working 2 Lima 30 from Birmingham Moor Street to Leamington Spa. Next train to arrive is 172212 and 172211, with the 0947 West Midlands Railway service from Worcester Foregate Street to Dorwich. And as the crowd starts to gather, we see 172340 and 172215 pass, working 2K22 from Dorwich to Kidderminster. Coming around the corner, working 11 minutes late, is 168109, working 1R12 from London Marylebone to Birmingham Moor Street. Quickly following right on its heels is 168325 and 168004, working 1G14 from London Marylebone to Birmingham Snow Hill. The return now 172001 and 172003, working the delayed 0954 West Midlands Railway service of Whitlock's End to Worcester Foregate Street. Next through the station is 172337, working 2 Delta 16 from Kidderminster to Stratford-upon-Avon via Dorwich. Next into the station is 172334, working the 1017 West Midlands Railway service from Worcester Shrub Hill to Whitlock's End. Next in through the station is 168109 and 168328, working the delayed 1H30 from Birmingham Moor Street to London Marylebone. Next out we see 172332, working the 1013 West Midlands Railway service from Stratford-upon-Avon to Kidderminster. Next round the corner is 172211 and 172212, working 2 Victor 14 from Dorwich to Worcester Foregate Street. With an unknown 196 lurking in the background, we see Locomotive Services 46100 Royal Scot with 47805 on the rear, working a Saphos train service 1 Zulu 60 from London Paddington to the Severn Valley Railway. Just when you thought it couldn't get any better, we get 66777, working 4 Echo 34 from Southampton Western Docks to Doncaster Eyeport. Next, the return of 172214 and 172218, working 2 Sierra 24 from Kidderminster to Stratford-upon-Avon via Whitlock's End. Trying to sneak out of the station unnoticed is 196109, working 5Q22 from Tyseley LMD to Stratford-upon-Avon. And here comes our train in the form of 172336, working the slightly delayed 1043 West Midlands Railway service from Stratford-upon-Avon to Kidderminster. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.